Welcome back to Froggy Tech. This could possibly be the world's smallest digital camera out there, the Y-Zip Cam. This can actually insert a SIM card and taking an actual photo with it, or even video. Before we start our video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel, really appreciate it. Without further ado, this is a Y2000 model from the Y-Zip Cam. First, take a look at the specs. Up to 32GB micro SD card of storage, 640x480 resolution at 30 frames per second, up to 1280x720 for photo, and also a built-in microphone for your video shooting. The box itself comes with a SD card, a charging cable, and a menu. This actually looks extremely adorable in size of just 2 centimeters in height. On top of the camera lens, we can already tell this camera comes with a 2 megapixels. So we know what we are expecting from it. I don't think there's too much to discover at this point, so why not just charge it up, insert a SIM card and see what's it like. While we are waiting for this camera to charge up, since the camera itself only contains one button, after reading the menu more carefully, I find this actually a convenient way to operate this camera. To turn it on, you need to long press for 2 seconds, another long press for video shooting, short press for taking a photo, and a 4 seconds long press to turn it off. I really think it's not bad for operating a camera with only one button. I will go out and shoot a video later on this video, stay tuned. But first, I have our Froggy Tech channel figure as our photo modeler, and here is the result. Let me know what you think. At first, I thought these kind of photos are coming from a scary movie, but afterward I realized that the quality of the photo is expected in such a small camera that costs only $6. Let's move to video shooting, a comparison between my iPhone 13 Pro Max and this camera.
On the left hand side, we have iPhone 13 Pro Max shooting at 4K 30 frames per second, and side is the mini camera shooting on the mini camera microphone. What do you think about it? We cannot tell the quality at the moment since we have to unput the SIM card and insert to our PC or Mac. Let's see the quality afterwards since we cannot tell. There's no screen, anything else. So hopefully the microphone, internal microphone is working though.
In conclusion, this is actually better than I expected with a $6 camera. However, if you are considering to be a secret agent using this mini camera, I don't think these photos taken by a 2 megapixel camera can be used for the evidence in court. Didn't even mention the slow taking, which you have to stay still while shooting the photo and wait until you feel comfortable in hoping the photo will not be fizzy or blurry. This is an amazing toy for your kids, but tell me what you think about it, leave a comment below and I will see you next time.